Don't we want more money? Well, yeah, but just making money actually isn't everything we need to do as a business. Something I think a lot of founders overlook is the nature of their team members. These are employees that will effectively work themselves to death. This happens in particular with salespeople and developers. Salespeople always want to focus on the next sale because it's the best rationale in the world. Don't we want more money? Well, yeah, but just making money actually isn't everything we need to do as a business. There are other operations that also matter, which support sales, which support the broader business. So we can't just do everything we want. We have to do everything we want and everything we need. I want these businesses to work and I want the teams to thrive. And you can't thrive if you don't pay attention to the natures of your people.